Our next presenter is Aneesha Avasthi, using poisons to investigate particles.
Looking up at the stars has always interested us as a species. We have always looked above and tried to find our place in the universe, trying to understand its mysteries. But what if I told you that the way to learn more about these mysteries is not somewhere far away, but right here amongst all of us? Every second, billions of particles that are invisible pass through the atmosphere, through the Earth, and through each one of us sitting here every second. These particles are called neutrinos. They are also known as ghost particles because they are everywhere, yet they interact so feebly with almost everything on the Earth. But these particles are very important. They hold answers to some of the most profound mysteries of the universe. What is it made of? When did it begin? Why is it the way it is today? And in order to look for these particles, we need to go deep underground. Why? Because these particles are everywhere. It's like trying to find a single drop of water in a hurricane. And we need to get rid of a lot of background. So we go thousands of feet under the Earth. This is why we go into mines, because the thick layer of rock acts as a shield. It filters out the background particles that we are not interested in. We make big detectors. Think about just 3 times the size of an Olympic swimming pool. And we fill this all with the special gas that can catch these neutrino interactions. But the problem here is that these gases are rare, which makes them expensive. This is where my research comes into the picture. In our lab, we are trying to find alternatives to these gases. We have found new compounds that can make this whole process cheaper because these compounds have better sensitivities, and therefore we can get better signal-to-background ratios with the same volume, if not less. But here's the catch. These are poisonous. And so dealing with them carefully is of crucial importance if we are to ensure the safety of the operators. This is why we have built a chamber that is specialized for these gases. It's corrosion-free, it's vacuum-tight, it can withstand high temperatures, pressures, and voltages. And the plan is to have this set up in the lab and use this as a test bed for these gases, which would be used in these underground detectors in the future. You may ask, why does this matter to us? Well, it turns out that the technologies that are used in these detectors for detecting these invisible particles are the same technologies that are used in medical imaging. Think of MRIs, PET scans, CT scans. All of these are looking for invisible signals that tell you more about what's happening inside the body. And this is why it's important to do these research. This is the power of science. Whether you're thinking about the universe or the detector underground, they're all helping us advance civilization. Thank you.